Muggy with clouds tonight, showers and storms. Some could be strong to severe. Good Thursday afternoon and evening, East Tennessee. My early edition of the app video. Want to give you an idea of what we've been seeing over the last couple of hours. Some thunderstorms, places like Morgan County near Wartburg. Also some activity near Spring City, up toward Jellicoe, to the east of Jellicoe. And even some activity in the foothills and Smokies, not far from Cosby, where we've had more activity today. But there is a yellow area that's kind of sticking out like a sore thumb in parts of Kentucky and West Virginia. That's all associated with a severe thunderstorm watch. By the way, the Ultimate Doppler Radar, presented by Madlock Tire Service and Auto Repair, East Tennessee's #1 tire shop and auto repair since 1953, has 5 convenient locations to serve you. If you're overdue for an oil change, maybe you need your tires rotated or a whole new set of tires, they can do a great job for you, as they have done for me. Severe thunderstorm watch till 9 o'clock tonight, so if you've got places like Pike County, Kentucky, under the yellow area, it's going to take probably a little bit later than 9 before some of that energy works its way down here, and that could be closer to midnight, perhaps even thereafter. You can see the clouds. They've been in and out during the course of today. Hazy sun and clouds was the expectation, but we have hit 90 for yet another day this calendar year officially. As you can see, more clouds and energy coming in from the west. Let me show you those temperatures. As of 4 o'clock, we've hit 90 in Knoxville and Johnson City, 92 in Chattanooga, 88 in Nashville, 91 in Jackson, but it's not necessarily the actual temperature that everybody talks about. It's the humidity. Let me show you what it actually is. In fact, you look at La Follette, I can do a little eyedropper here. It's about 86 in Campbell County at 4 o'clock, 91 in Sevierville, but you throw in the heat index. Oh, you know the heat index has got to be bad. Feels like 90, feels like 97. 97, that's hot. Feels like 99 in Sevierville, 92 La Follette, and a pair of 9s in Kingston. Mentioned mid to upper 90s would be pretty common today, and that's the way it feels heading into the latter part of the afternoon, heading into the evening. So pace yourself. And it's all a function of the dew points, which are tropical. Welcome to the jungle, I believe Axl Rose used to say. 72. Yeah, it feels oppressive. Feels very sticky, if not stuffy, across the area. That's why it should be rather muggy, even tonight, with some of the storms that come into play. Speaking of storms, let me show you the future rainfall. Again, these models are great. They have some utility. They're not always perfect on placement or timing, but they give you a sense of what could happen between now and a few hours into the future. By 8 o'clock Friday evening, we might have a bullseye in yellow in northeastern sections of Tennessee, and then we add in Saturday's rains and Sunday's rains. Well, you get a picture that might be 1.5 inches around Jamestown in a total cumulative amount, maybe over 3/4 of an inch in Knoxville. But again, when it rains, it pours. Newport suggested or projected at 1.6 inches. That's a lot of rain. But you could shuffle the deck. Anyone's fair game of getting 1 inch, maybe even closer to 2, with some of these gully washers that could roll into town. So strong to severe possible tonight, even tonight in the overnight. Showers and storms reappear on Friday, and then it's unsettled again this weekend. Storm Prediction Center maps, we're talking about the isolated severe for us, covers the entire state of Tennessee. In fact, there's some numerous coloring in orange in upstate New York. West Virginia, Kentucky, more scattered severe storms right through 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, and that's what this basically outlines. Between now and 8 o'clock Friday morning, we're all covered under the dark green areas for some of these storms, might have enough energy to produce some damaging wind and hail. Meanwhile, Friday we pull things back a bit, maybe just some general thunderstorms in light green, but there could be some hot spots along the I-95 corridor between D.C., Philadelphia, New York for some isolated severe storms, but maybe more pronounced north of Oklahoma City over toward Wichita, Kansas for scattered severe storms on Friday. And then if you take it one step further, we're back into the hunt on Saturday. Some of the storms on Saturday could be isolated severe, strong from about Columbus, Cincinnati, Lexington, down to Nashville, down to Knoxville, right here in East Tennessee. So we'll be watching that for Saturday. We're not done with this pattern. Meanwhile, we take a look at the futurecast. It shows 5 o'clock, a couple more storms. 9 o'clock tonight, it looks like it's coming down from the north, maybe a little bit quicker by 11 o'clock. But again, we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for Pike County, Kentucky till 9 p.m. This would take us after or closer to midnight. And then once we move into 2 o'clock in the morning, maybe it slows down a bit. Head out to work tomorrow morning. It's just a wet pavement, wet ground. Then we do it again with more showers and storms reappearing on Friday. And we do it again on Saturday with an approaching front across parts of western Kentucky. So this is just kind of like a repeat, lather, repeat, rinse situation that we'll continue to see heading into the upcoming weekend. I wanted to show you the closer view, right? Temperatures perhaps in the low 90s today. 9 o'clock, where's all the storminess? It's up toward La Follette and Jellicoe, right? We get at about 10, 11 o'clock. it wants to migrate on this model toward Jonesville, maybe over toward the Tri-Cities. So anyone's fair game for a strong shower thunderstorm. Doesn't mean everybody gets it. I left a 60% chance tonight. But we'll be watching that closely, and you can see at 7 a.m. there's some indication some of it could be still lingering in the foothills and Smokies. Heading into tomorrow morning, into the afternoon, maybe a hit or miss shower. But again, most of it may very well be south of Interstate 40, at least to start for the evening tomorrow. And then we bring in more rain. Like 8 o'clock, a little downpour, perhaps around Farragut, Solway, Carnes, and Hardin Valley. By that time, or sound about 10 o'clock on Friday night. So again, this isn't always perfect, but it gives us at least some guidance that we have an unsettled pattern going right through the upcoming weekend. So Valley Planner tonight, getting you down into the lower 70s, about 71 is my expectation by 6. But this will take us through about 5 a.m. down to about 72. Tonight down to 71, clouds and storms and humidity. Strong to severe possibility, about a 60% chance. It's muggy tonight. Down to 66 for Middlesboro, 70 in Oak Ridge, 69 in Sevierville. Tomorrow is Friday. Yes, Friday the 14th. I guess that's lucky. 89 degrees. That's near 90. Hazy sun and clouds, showers and storms. Winds generally 5 to 10. Could be gusting higher. 88 for Newport, Del Rio, Cosby. 88 Morristown, White Pine, and say Talbot. 85 for Wartburg, 88 for Kingston, Rockwood, as well as Kingston and Harriman, 84 for Crossville and Cumberland County, Lake Tansy. So here's your Captain Accurate Weather Authority forecast for Knoxville, East Tennessee. 89 tomorrow, 88 on Saturday, 87 Sunday. It's all comparable, and with those dew points and lows in the low 70s, it's still going to feel like it's 90 plus, just from the heat index or the feels like temperature, which is the same thing. 90 on Monday, maybe a spot of rain or storminess. Same situation on Tuesday, Wednesday. Best chance of next week rain may be on Thursday, and we're back in the upper 80s. By the way, you can keep track of it all using the Captain Accurate weather app with Pete Michaels Traffic, the best traffic reporter in Knoxville, hands down. Keep you and your family safe. Just search the 2 words Captain Accurate at the App Store and Google Play. My name is David Aldridge. Some people call me Captain Accurate. It's not easy being accurate. Stay safe, drink lots of water. We'll see you here next time. Take care.